Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon Mario. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome back to my series on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Today's episode is going to be on that little Mario video game character. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing, as you'll notice, is I create like an action line for the body and for the arms, and I laid out where the face is, and I have the crosshair happening as well, and the body, and now I'm working on the arms and the hand right now there, and both of them. So what you can see here right now is very much like a stick figure. And keep in mind, that's the building foundation when you're creating animation or comic book characters and pages or illustration. This helps you to lay out the pages before you do the final tight drawing. So this is what a traditional comic book and animator would actually be doing when they're working on a project. So I'm sharing with you. So I'm taking it to the details right now, to the eyes and the nose, and just sketching in the eyes. But just a quick note again for the action line, everything, this is more tight than a traditional animator or a comic book guy would be doing for a final drawing. For the thumbnails, they would be very sketchy and everything. Let's work on this face. So also I'm going to be working on and sharing some new series. It's going to be on action stick figure characters, and these action stick figure guys are going to be very, very simple and just the stick figure, where there you can create your own character in its place. It's like a building foundation. So keep in mind and keep a lookout for these new little short videos as well. All right, so back to Mario. So working on his hat right now and building that all the way around. Let's get his ear in there. Okay, see that little crosshair helps me to know right where the positioning of the eyes, nose, and mouth again. And let's get his little hair on the side. Again, more detailed right now. All right, his eyebrows, I'm going to shade them in just to give a contrast to where it is. And let's get the other side too. All right. Yeah, as grown up, video games I enjoyed as a kid, and I still do. And I actually was an animator and illustrator for several video games in the early to mid 90s that I worked on, from Super Nintendo games, and the Genesis. All right, let's finish up his hat there right now. Okay, work all the way around. There we go. All right, back side, a fun character. And as you can see, and remember, as always, I share is this is actually a sketch, not a final drawing, just a sketch. There, you can come back and do more detail, or I could take this, which I will at this point, into Illustrator, ink it in, and color it in Photoshop, as I've shared before. Okay, let's work on his little suspenders there right now. His overall, he's a working guy. All right, get his chin there. Pretty much have his face all lined up right now. Fun character. He's jumping in the air, the action there. Let's work on the other side. His suspenders cut across. Get his, there we go. Getting in his legs, his body. Doing the complete, there we go. Let's get his other leg jumping in the air now. All right. There we go. Get his leg in there. So in this case, this leg is going to be the underneath part. So you're going to see part of his, like his underneath his shoe. That's the one coming towards you, while the other one is moving away. All right. And the same action that you have Mario with his little jumping and running pose right now, you can use this pose for any character or any action figure that you want to replace. So you can use this as a nice model sheet for your own character. All right, let's work on his pants there. Get his other foot down there. There we go. As you can see, the inner leg to the outer leg when they're running and jumping. For all those, if you have a smartphone and you want to do some videoing of somebody running and jumping and then putting on slow motion and pausing it, that'll also help you capture these particular shots like this. That helps you. All right, as an animator, that's one of the things we always had to do is watch videos and have people walk or jump and then pose those shots as we sketched out in our model sheet class. And we were up to like 2 hours a day on practicing modeling. All right, here we go. Let's get the other hand in now. Another circle. He's not a 3-finger, he's actually like a 4-finger character. Okay, get the other one over there. Here we go. And this one we're only going to really see 3 knuckles because the 4th one is kind of behind there. But the other hand, you'll see all 4 fingers and the thumb. Typical 3 line on the top of his glove. Yep, it's looking good right now. A little darker. Let's come back and check out some of the areas that you may want to make a little bit darker so you can tell where the lines are. All right, let's shade in his mouth there, more contrast. Yeah, and let's shade in his little mustache. Here we go. Those are just the quick speed lines, just going up and down really quick. All right, yeah, and he's looking really good right now. All right, a little on his hair now there. So you can distinguish that from his hat and the side by his ear. There. Okay, yeah, just about done, I think. Let's check it over any other areas that you can see there on his fingers. Nope, not too much more. Pretty much I think it's done. So, yep, let's sign it, date it, and we just completed another little lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks, and take care. Check us out on Facebook. That's JMG Studio. And on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.